Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for gold. So, anyways, we're on the 1 hour time frame for gold. We had a pretty big gap at market open yesterday, but it definitely filled that gap. We're all the way back down. Now, this move up right here is very clearly 5 ways up. So we'll have to see what's going to happen here. Gold has been very, very, very choppy, up and down, up and down, up and down. The daily has turned down, so there is definitely a chance that this just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs. So since the daily has turned down, I would be recommending shorts. Now, because it made 5 waves up right here, I got my Fibonacci retracement on there. Because if it does respect this 78 or 88%, and it does make like an engulfing move to the upside, you definitely could at that point maybe jump down to after the engulfing move up, maybe jump down to a little bit of a sort of time frame and see what happens, and potentially could end up doing like a much bigger move, like an A, B, C, like this. Or maybe there's always a possibility that the higher time frame uptrends do continue. So I definitely am recommending shorts unless we get that nice engulfing move to the upside. If we do, then I would go back to longs, especially because the very high time frames are definitely still in a uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.